Hello, today I will be making green beans. It's a traditional Greek dish, and I have about 1.25 pounds of green beans washed and cut. I have grated 3.5 tomatoes, and I also mixed in there a couple of tablespoons of tomato paste. I have about a few mushrooms, diced, sliced, 3 potatoes, and 3 onions. I have the Instapot here to saute. I'm gonna drop the onions. So the good thing about the Instapot is that a little piece of onion on the side. The good thing about the Instapot is that you can saute the food before you pressure cook it. So you just you plug it in, and here's the saute button. You turn it on. I put in about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, so you can saute the onions a little bit here. Then we're going to add the potatoes. Here are the potatoes cut and ready to go. I have also, what do I have here? Garlic. Here's 3 cloves of garlic. And there is my all the vegetable peelings. I have to cut the tomatoes just a little bit more before I put them on the mulch pile. So here we go. So I'm going to saute this for about 5 minutes, and then I will add the onions, and I will see you in 5 minutes. So I added the tomatoes, the potatoes, here they are. I'm going to put in the mushrooms now, and in go the tomatoes. There we go. And I will add a little bit of water and the green beans. See you in a minute. And here we go. I've added the green beans and enough water to come near the top of the pot. Now I will attempt to add the cover. Let's see. There you go. So the cover is there. This has to be on the right side. This side is venting. You don't want to go there. You want to go to the right side. The little safety valve is down, which is good, so it will build the pressure. So now I will cancel the saute function, and I'm gonna, what is it? Pressure cook. Here you go, pressure cook. It says 35 minutes. No, I have to go down to 20. That's it. Now it will take a few seconds for it to start building the pressure. There you go. So now the pressure cooker has started, and it will take some time for it to reach the desired temperature inside, and then it will start the countdown. All right, see you in 20 minutes. Adios. It has been about 3 minutes. The Instapot indicator here still says on, which means it's building the necessary pressure. So if you were to look here at the top. See, this metal is still down, which means the pressure hasn't come up to the point where the cooking will start. So when that happens, that little metal piece will come up. Then the 20 minutes will show up here, and it will start the countdown. And when it goes down to 0, you see I have it set to keep warm, which means it will not release the internal pressure, the steam, and it will keep the food nice and warm for whatever time you need. And when you're ready to release the pressure and sort of open up the top, you will slide this little nozzle here, this little widget, to the point where it says venting. Let me see, can you see that venting? There it is. And you have to push it a little bit to go into venting, and then from the top the steam will start coming out, and it will release pressure, the internal pressure, the internal steam. When this little thingy goes down, then you can slide the cover open and see what's inside. So I was hoping that it will start coming up, but that's not the case. All right. So, well, see you later. Bye. Here's the Instapot. I don't know if you can see, there is some steam coming out from the valve. There you go. Just move this over. It's something dark behind it. See the steam? So soon this valve will come up to seal the steam inside the pot for the cooking to start. The cooking has not started because it says on. If the steaming had started, it would say 20, 19, 18, 17. We'll do the countdown. Okay, after 17, we'll go to 16, and then 15. If it was to count up, it will go from 20 to, oh, there you go. That's it. Still says on. Liar, liar, pans on fire. Well, let's see. Oh well. So, but this will go to 20 any moment now for the cooking to start. All right. Goodbye. Nothing is left. I ate everything. I took a small piece of sweet potato muffin, and I had that with it too. It was delish. Bye. Here we go. I went in for seconds. I added a little feta cheese. I added a few extra potatoes, mushrooms. Yum. Talk to you later. Bye.